Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. Just remember, if this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So as you'll see by the thumbnail, this week we're going to be concentrating on rim mats. And last year at Waxstock, I was very lucky enough to meet Micheal. So as you'll see here, I'm just slowly pulling on to the rim mats until the front wheels hit the chalk. So now I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration of how I normally clean wheels. But today we're going to be integrating the rim mats into this clean. This is with the wheel shampoo, and as you'll see with the wheel brush, I get right down to the bottom of the tyre because the wheel is elevated onto the rim mats. And it makes them little bits that you would normally have missed underneath a lot easier to clean. Normally you would have to have rolled the car back or forth. And again with the jet washing stage, it ensures that you rinse off all the tyre. And another key advantage, if you're working on a gravel driveway, the last thing you want to do is hit the gravel with that sort of force on the jet wash and fling stones up the side of the car. And not only are the rim mats perfect for cleaning, they are perfect for applying your favourite tyre dressing all the way round. As you can see, I'm not missing any inch of that tyre with the tyre dressing. So here's just a little bit about rim mats. Now rim mats are a family run business, and the design and manufacture of this product was in the UK. They are made from tough, high impact strength ABS and are fully recyclable just in case they break. And like I said, they are designed to keep your brushes, your sponges and all your equipment clean from dirt, gravel, etc. Now for me, this is a great bit of design work from Micheal and the team. Not only do they help protect the tyres and clean the tyres all the way around, they all interlock and you can store them all in one with this handy little Velcro strap. Absolutely outstanding. And I wanted to put this next section in, guys, just to show you that my drive is nowhere near flat. And the rim mats, as long as you go slow, you will have no problem. But guys, don't just take my word for it. Here's a few other people that swear by rim mats. And I'd just like to thank Steve at Geeky Detailing, Brad at BC Details, Mr. Paul Dolden, Heather at AutoCare HQ, Mr. Speggy McSpawn, and Andrew Fraser from the Car Boutique. Guys, please go check out their amazing channels. All links to their channels will be down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care. Ta-da.